Hey everyone, today I'm gonna share with you on how to create a booster post using Facebook ads. To start with, need to log into your Facebook account, then scroll on the left side. You will find pages link or pages button. Click this one. Click on your certain page. Mine is Domus e Latin for home. I want to boost a picture post, so let's use this one, and then I want my ads to visible to everyone, so I will choose get more engagement. Click that one and then save. Then let's set the audience. I want my audience, no, regardless of gender, I want all of them to be visible regardless of gender. Age is 25 to 50, and the location would be Philippines, inside the Philippines. So this one. Detail targeting. If you click this one will allow you to target ads based on specific interest, behaviors, and content. You may click this one if you have specific targets of people. You can set this one, but for now I will choose the broad audience. So let's save the audience, and then let's set the duration days to 5, and date is March 21. The amount would be 800. Let's say 800. Payment method. Let's set the payment method. This one is very important. You need to set this one so that your posts or ads will be published. So you need to input all the information, business location and currency, tax and info, and your payment method. May it be a debit or credit card or your online wallet. Then click this one. I have an ad credit limit. Click next. Then input your all card details here. Then click save. After that one, you need to publish. Click publish here. You may check it if your post is posted. You need to go back to the page, your page, to check if their post is boosted. Now let's try a video post. Okay, let's click here the pages, set your page, and let's browse a video post. This one, let's click boost post. Let's set our goals. Mine is to get more video views, so engagement. Click this one, save. For buttons, no, I don't need a button. Let's try learn more button. This one, or let's set no buttons here. Then for the audience, same, all, regardless of gender. Age would be still 25 to 50. Location is still Philippines. country, save audience. Let's say the duration days will be 7 days. Then March 23, it will end on March 23 and set our amount to 1,000. Then the important one, the payment method, you need to set this one. Card details. Then just click I have an add credit claim. Next, input your card details here, then save, and then publish. Next one, I wanted to create a text post, to boost a text post. To start with, you need to go to your page, then click this one, the Meta Business Suite for your business. So you can create a post using this one here. Then let's say create a post. And then, okay, as you can see, my page is already linked. My business page is already linked to my Instagram, so my post will be also visible to Instagram. Next, let's add photo. Downloads. Let's say this one. Let's add a description. Let's put some embrace minimalist design. Create a space. Let's calm, functional, and timeless. Simplicity. Simplify your surroundings. And work and elevate lifestyle. You may add hashtag less is more, hashtag minimalism. Okay, and then set to public, and then let's click publish. You can check it if this post is already here. So this one, it's already visible on our page. So let's click boost post. Let's change this one, so I still want engagement visible to all. Click save. The button, I want to add a button here. Learn more. Let's try learn more. Or no, just send message. Let's use send message. Then audience, all gender, 25 to 50. Location is still Philippines. And then save audience. Duration will be 5 days. It will end March 21. Then 1,000. The important thing, you need to set your payment method. the current location, currency, tax info, your debit card or credit card or online wallet. Click I have a credit claim. Next, input all the details of your card, then click save and then publish. That would be all. I hope you learned something. Bye bye. Thanks.